Hi everyone and welcome to my complete Python Bootcamp. I'm so glad you've decided to join me in this course, not only because I'm happy to meet another Python enthusiast, but I genuinely believe you will get so much out of this course. It's packed with the most fundamental concepts and features that I believe all Python developers should know when embarking on a project. By the end of this course, you will be comfortable utilizing the Python language to build programs or applications that solve real-world problems across a variety of use cases. You'll be able to work with one of the most popular object-oriented programming languages in the world. One which has an extremely large community of talented contributors and enthusiasts who are supportive in progressing Python's capabilities, so you're in good hands. Now, seeing as you've downloaded this course, my guess is that you have some form of understanding as to what Python is and how it can be useful to you. But for those who have heard about Python, know it's useful, but do not quite know what it is, let me quickly break it down for you. Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language and is one of the most popular languages in the world today for producing software solutions. It can be used for so many different and exciting use cases, such as web development, data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, as well as robotics. It really is a language that has endless possibilities, and understanding the fundamental concepts covered in this course will help you in any domain that is of interest to you. So who uses Python? Well, Python is used in the biggest companies in the world, including Google, Spotify, Instagram, YouTube, Netflix, and many, many more. It is one of the easier programming languages to pick up, as it generally involves cleaner syntax and less lines of code compared to other languages. But don't let that fool you. You still need to be dedicated and put time in to learn Python, and there are hundreds of projects that you can start with to get to grips with the language and its use cases. Now, this course is purely focused on getting to grips with Python as a language, but if we purely focused on concepts, things would get boring quite quickly, which is why we will create programs and applications throughout the course as a way of practicing our newly found skills. After all, practical application of a skill set will only make our understanding stronger. But the main objective is to leave you walking away with a skill set that can be applied to any program or application when you develop in Python after finishing the course. So with that being said, let's begin by first of all understanding the basics of a program.